Section 1, Basic Electrical Concepts. What's the difference between conventional current flow and electron flow? Conventional current shows current going from positive to negative. In reality, electrons flow from negative to positive. What is voltage? It's electrical pressure measured in volts. What is current? The flow of electrons in a circuit measured in amperes, amps. What is resistance? The opposition to current flow measured in ohms. What four things affect a conductor's resistance? Material, cross-sectional area, length, and temperature. What's Ohm's law? Voltage equals current times resistance. E equals I times R. What are 5 sources of electrical energy? Magnetism, chemical energy, light, heat, and pressure. Section 2, Capacitance and inductance. What's a capacitor? 2 conductors separated by an insulator. It stores electrical energy in an electrostatic field. What's the unit of capacitance? The farad, F. Why shouldn't you use an electrolytic capacitor in an AC circuit? They're polarized, and will block current of the opposite polarity. What is inductance? The ability to store energy in an electromagnetic field and resist changes in current. What's the unit of inductance? The Henry, AH. In AC circuits, what does a capacitor do to current? Current leads voltage. In AC circuits, what does an inductor do to current? Current lags voltage. Section 3, Power and energy. What's the basic unit of power? The watt, W. What's the formula for electrical power? P equals E times I. Volts times amps. How are mechanical and electrical power related? 1 horsepower equals 746 watts. What's a kilowatt? What's a megawatt? A kilowatt is 1,000 watts. A megawatt is 1,000,000 watts. What's meant by power factor in an AC circuit? It's the ratio of true power to apparent power, how efficiently power is being used. Section 4, Measuring and Testing. What instrument measures current? An ammeter connected in series. What instrument measures voltage? A voltmeter connected in parallel. What instrument measures resistance or continuity? An ohmmeter, only with the circuit powered off. In what units is battery capacity expressed? Ampere hours. What instrument measures the specific gravity of a lead-acid battery? A hydrometer. Section 5, Batteries. What electrolyte is in a lead acid battery? Sulfuric acid and water. What's the specific gravity of a fully charged lead acid battery? Between 1.275 and 1.300. How many cells are in a 24-volt lead acid battery? 12 cells. What gases are released when charging a lead acid battery? Hydrogen and oxygen. How do you neutralize spilled lead acid electrolyte? Use a baking soda and water solution. What's the electrolyte in a nickel cadmium battery? Potassium hydroxide and water. Why can't you use a hydrometer to check a nickel cadmium battery's charge? Its electrolyte's specific gravity doesn't change with charge state. What's thermal runaway in a NiCad battery? Excess current makes the cells heat up faster than they can cool, lowering resistance and creating more heat until the battery destroys itself. How do you prevent thermal runaway? Monitor temperature and control charging current carefully. How do you neutralize spilled nickel cadmium electrolyte? Use boric acid and water. Section 6, components and circuits. What three things must every circuit have? A power source, a load, and conductors. What's continuity in a circuit? A complete path so electrons can flow. What's the basic function of a switch? To control current flow. What's a relay? An electromechanical switch that lets a small current control a large current. What's a current limiter? A heavy-duty fuse used to protect sections of an electrical system. What are the two main types of variable resistors? Rheostats and potentiometers. Section 7, digital and logic basics. What are binary numbers? Numbers using only two digits, 0 and 1. What is electrostatic discharge? ESD. Static electricity that can damage sensitive components. Wear a grounding strap to prevent it. What's a transformer? A device that changes AC voltage from one level to another using two coils and magnetic induction. What are the two main types of AC motors in aircraft? Induction motors and synchronous motors. Where is a series wound DC motor used? Where high torque at low speed is needed, like starter motors. What are the two main parts of a DC motor? The field assembly and the armature.